ZESTRON India. Find the right cleaning machine and cleaning chemistry for your PCBAs, stencils, or maintenance parts. Provided from one single source, ZESTRON India. Global to India, our headquarter in Bangalore is located just 20 minutes from the airport and offers you the unique opportunity to conduct cleaning trials with your parts on different cleaning machines in just one day. In our technical center, we offer tests on cleaning machines from leading international and local equipment manufacturers. Our experienced cleaning experts support you throughout the day and at the end offer you a process recommendation for the right machines and chemistry. We also offer workshops and webinars. What you see is what you get. To confirm visual results, we will analyze your parts together with you using sophisticated surface analytics methods. Visit us, meet our Indian team on site, and find your customized cleaning solution tailored to your requirements. Reliability is the driver in every aspect of our work.